So this will be a quick one. We're pretty much ready to install the timing cover on our FJ. And I'm just replacing all of the O-rings and the oil seals. Okay, so this is the old one. I'll show you how to remove it and install a brand new one. Now to remove this seal, I'm using a flathead wrapped in electrical tape. That's to prevent any scoring onto our oil pump here, or the mating surface for the oil pump. And then another flathead. You can also use a piece of wood because you need something to pry against to get this out, okay? And of course, make sure you wear safety glasses because this can just pop right into your face. Whoa, wear safety glasses, wear safety glasses. So a few options to install the new oil seal. Now, if you are doing this on a 1GR-FE engine, that's the part number. I'll list it below as well. If you don't want to buy genuine, I think this was like 20 bucks, Timken. Okay, these guys tend to make very good seals as well, but this is genuine. Now, to install it, the largest socket I have is a 36 mil, and you can see that there's a little bit too much of a gap. You want ideally to cover the entire seal. If you have a hole saw, maybe you can quickly drill out a piece of wood. This would be a little bit larger. This is the largest I have, but this I think will work. Electrical tape fits perfectly right over the seal, socket over that, and that way we can tap it in. The other thing I'm doing, applying MP or multi-purpose grease to the inside lip of the seal, so when it's time to reinstall everything, it goes on really nicely onto the front crankshaft. And the other thing, if you're curious on these Toyotas, the one from the factory was a Koyo seal, and now they are FKM. So it looks like they've changed manufacturers, but here we go. Now the other reason why you want to apply some grease is because there's a spring back here. And what could happen is as you're tapping this in, this spring pops out. And if that happens, you're going to develop a leak down the road. The spring keeps the conformity of the seal. So again, this is just multi-purpose grease that I have. And here we go, just apply it here. Really, I should do this without gloves. Just pressing down with my fingers at first. It does slide in. Really nice fit. Something like this, I think it makes sense spending the extra cash and just going with factory parts rather than aftermarket. Why chance it? It's a big job. Why chance it? Lightly tap this. I'll use a mallet. And you want to make sure that the seal is flush, completely flush. So I have a little bit more to go. Okay, we are right on the money. So that wraps it up for today. In the next episode, we will be installing the timing chain cover, and this will be almost ready to go. So I'm very excited for that. I hope you tune in, and thank you for watching.